The home is in the process of being worked on, so excuse some of the work. This is a quick virtual tour. Half bath at the lower area, garage entrance, closet to your left. Garage entrance is on your right-hand side. Stairwell going upstairs where the 4 bedrooms are located. Going up the stairwell, wide staircase, which is prevalent in Rob Rice homes. Coming upstairs, you have the front bedroom, large open bedroom, wall-to-wall closets. Come into an open area, convergent zone, so to speak. Got your laundry room on your right. You got 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, master, full bath on your left with the deep tubs, just your basic tub shower. Your master suite. Soaking tub, stand-up shower, standard walk-in closet. Excuse some of the work going on. Water closet. Linen closet. Your basic bathroom. And your basic bedrooms. Walk-in closet. Side closet. Laundry room. And then back to the front room again. All the windows have window coverings. Going downstairs. Into the plank flooring. Split into the closet. Garage entry, water heater, furnace, 2-car garage with remote controls. And you go to the open kitchen design. Excuse some of the debris being worked on. Darker appliances, gas range, pantry, spacious counters, tons of cabinetry, dining area, open to a living area, carpeting's being worked on, TV area, and then you go out to the backyard, which is a nice open backyard area. All right, and that concludes your tour.